And we are back, Team Krista. In last episode, we came into this frosty place, upgraded a few stuff, and switched to my fire weapons. Now we're fighting a floating icy eye with that is, oh my god, it looks so disgusting. Let's kill it now with fire and eruption and die frozen eye. Holy! That was what I called them. Haha! Take that, you mad eyeball thing. That was like taken out of my mouth. Amazing set, mate. Amazing set. And now it does it. And now there's gonna come a flying castle. Okay, it's not flying, but it's a damn ice castle. So let's do some bullet hell. Chaka. Woo! That was great. Don't hit me with your icy fangs or whatever it is. Don't throw exploding booze at me. And thank you for not screaming in my ear. Okay, let's do some eruption, shall we? Shark Igloo is in. Why is the name of that thing Shark Igloo? That's a stupid name. Stupid! Stupid! Firestorm! Burn! Burn, Igloo, burn! This is going fun! Burn, Igloo, eye! And now it's all dead. Oh, we got ice cream! Delicious! What the? Deathbringer. Doom's foes. Boost the power of Doomsday. Purple potion. Is that a staff? If that's a staff, it scares me. Oh no, 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 no. I know this thing. This thing is so irritating. We gotta be prepared. And by prepared, I mean super overpowered before we can bloody well defeat it. Bestiality. Oh my god. Oh dear, this waking monolith. Weakness, earth and bomb. Okay, earth and bomb is his weakness. Then, earth. Yes, earth. 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 Earth and bomb. 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 Oh, good. 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 This is bomb. Earth and bomb. Earth and bomb. Earth and bloody bomb. That bloody monolith have beaten me so many times. It's insane. Skills. Oh yes, cataclysm. Oh yes. And you, earth and bomb is his weakness. Earth and bomb. You don't have earth and bomb attacks. We shall just upgrade heal more. And then maybe some. Yes. Lance. No, not this. Should have it. Lance. Earth and bomb. You know what this means, right? Oh, tank. Oh yes. What else can we do? For now, nothing. Bind lowers all foes away. Sounds good, I guess. Let's get some and we're back. I finally, after flipping out, did everything done and stuff. So yeah, let's. First, let's get off with all these to do. Monolith comes. Why? I'm scared. Well, that was easy. Now comes the bad part. That thing. Giant rock! Well, that's not very threatening at all. It's gonna follow on to us or something. No, much worse. Much worse. Trust me. Yeah, strike it. Kaboom. Pushka. Ay. God damn it, don't freeze me. I've done this fight so many times, but it finally looks like I can do this easy. I like this build already. That's quite a sword. Yeah, Mad Love sword, if you haven't noticed. Let's do some bullet hell on this ice pit. Actually, this is the first time I've been able to fast kill the monolith. That ice spike is something killing personal if it hits your head. If you hit your I can't see. Die, monolith. That's revenge for all those over 100 times you've killed me before. Yes, I think I've killed me over 100 times before. I know what I'm talking about. Or else I wouldn't be flipping out about it. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. I know it. But it's still not the worst thing of them all. Trust me. And you can go back to your awesome weapon now, okay? Okay, what should we upgrade here? Let's upgrade nothing. Oh, wait, maybe. Yeah. Wanna upgrade him. I like Nolix. Love Nolix. What's this? Region. Expert healing magic. Okay. Members get healed every turn for a while. That sounds quite good. Let's purify. Okay. And here I wanna upgrade my bloody god damn airstrike. Let's heal up a bit, okay? Here. Muffin. And let's continue. Phew. That battle can be insanely hard if you are not prepared. I was prepared, but I have been fighting that thing over 100 times. Nice weather for Australian hills, and now you want gold from me. Fuck you. Hello. And she wants a pearl, a light rune, and sad statue. I need sad statues myself. Oh, not an ice elemental. I gotta kill this eye first. Oh god, he's a holy eye too. It's holy. Oh god, this is gonna be irritating. I don't like elementals. I just don't like them. Trust me, I don't like elementals. Not a single bit. Bullet hell. Hell. Oh, whoa, critical, not damaging at all hit. Well, there's a sword technique I don't have. Damn! Yeah, that's how Matt is. Every time you see a sword technique he don't have. He begins to get irritated. Because he wants them all. Take this, holy eye! I'll let you die by my hill bullets. And we did it. And now it's the last thing we'll do in this video. We own this thing. We got what?